given moment. So we have no doubt in our minds that the County Assembly of Nyamira has a total of 35 members of the County Assembly. That number cannot be reduced by interpretation, by innovation, or by improvising of any member. So having that in mind then, Honorable Senators, what is the 2/3 of 35? I may not be very good in maths, but we've been here before with the Kericho matter, with the Isiolo matter, and this Senate was very clear that you cannot have half a person. And therefore, when I do my maths correctly, is that at least 2/3 of 35 must remain to be 24. So the question then that this Senate will have to ask itself is whether 24 members of the County Assembly resolved to impeach the governor. Should you find that you do not have 24 people who voted in favor of this motion, there is only one remedy: to send the County Assembly back to the drawing board for them to meet that threshold. Honorable Senators, the record before you will demonstrate two things. One is that there were 19 members present on 25th of November 2025 that voted to impeach the governor. That is on record. The Hansard speak for itself. 19 members. However, strangely, Honorable Senators, 23 votes were generated from a total of 19 members who are present in chambers. Section 20 of the County Governments Act gives directions on the procedure of voting. And it says as follows, that any decision of the County Assembly shall be made by members present and voting. That is Section 20. By members present and voting.